be doing services each Sunday evening at church. We'll no longer be doing the prayer meeting on Zoom at that time. However, we will be doing it instead on Thursday morning at 10 a.m. So it will be the same Zoom link, but you can find that online if you need. So be sure to join us Thursday mornings at 10 a.m. for prayers.
To a place of overflow, let fire fall, and your passion here stir up, let heaven come.
Remember guys, Connect groups are happening this week, so make sure that you connect with yours. And if you're not in a group so far, then just head to our website and you can get in touch with us to get signed up to a group.
Where your spirit goes, healing flows. Yeah.
So during August, Kidstream is going to be happening every Sunday morning at 10 a.m. So make sure that you're joining us for some fun, some games and some pies in the faces. But remember, it's not going to be happening on Fridays anymore at 6:30. So Sundays at 10 a.m. is where you can come and join us for fun for Kidstream. So remember guys, you can join us at Excel Church in person for our evening short services from 6 p.m. and 7:15 p.m. So you can book these every evening from 8 p.m. for the following week. So it's a week-to-week basis guys, and you can book in online for these at Church Suite, or you can head to excelchurch.org.uk/Sundays. So if you want to join us, spaces are limited, but you can join us each week, and just be aware we will be reviewing this week on week, so we'll keep you updated with any updates on that. On the last week of August, from the 24th to the 28th, we have got our amazing summer club happening, which is going to be full of fun. So every morning you can join us online from 9:30 for half an hour of fun, games, stories. So if you want to join us, sign up online through Church Suite or our website so you can get your hands on your summer club pack ahead of time. See you there.
Where your spirit goes, freedom follows.
So that's all for Excel News. If you need any more information, you can just head to our website or get us on social media. Have a great week, guys.